Good morning. In behalf sa San Valencia City, mapasalamaton ko nga inyong gipili ang agency para venue sa inyong on-the-job training nga sa tulo ka atong highly motivated nga interns nga sila Char Michelle, si Lady May o si Alianes. Ako lang masulti nga dedicated kaayo sila sa ilang trabaho sa iyong duty o lagi sila positive attitude towards work sa ilang mga chief, sa matanan personnel, sa mga kliyente o katong ilang mga kauban nga OJT gikan sa lain nga school o kanang tagaan sila og trabaho dali ra nila mahuman, nagit sila importansya sa ilang pag-duty, ang ilang importante kaayo sila mga gagmay nga detail sa ilang trabaho, mga field man na sa office, mayo kaayo sila. Overall no, kaning very satisfactory, excellent o ang ilang gipakita nga performance sa OJT o sa pagpadayon nga pagkat-on nila o sa pagiya sa kabalo ko nga layo pa kayo ilang maabtan sa ilang pilion nga career in the future. Thank you.
Everyone, this is Dines Ihuab of San Valencia City of the DNR. In addition to the internship program of the students of the Bukidnon State University, we are taking Bachelor of Science in Environmental Sciences. For students, Char Michelle T. Solda, Alanes S. Bargaminto, and Lady May Abril. To the school of Bukidnon State University, I would like to express my great thanks to your school for choosing the San Valencia City to be a partner of your school for the internship program of your students. We are very thankful because those three students are very instrumental in the undertakings of our mandates. While considering that the office has some limitation, especially on the resources and the personnel that will undertake our activities. So because of your students, we have some major accomplishment for the first quarter of 2026 because they have shown very exemplary performance in the execution of their assigned tasks. No, I'm very thankful of that. They are very helpful. Dependable, and whatever the task given to them, they can easily perform it with less supervision. So we are very grateful on that. So I hope that the school will still consider the San Valencia City to be a partner again of your school for the internship program of your students that will be coming in the next year to come. Again, in behalf of San Valencia City, thank you, Bukidnon State University, to the school president, Dr. J.M. Mirasol, the Dean, Dr. Maribel G. Valdez, the Natural Science Department Chairperson, Dr. Marites M. Igar, and the Base Environmental Science Internship Coordinator, Mrs. Marie Angele Abindiano. Thank you very much, ma'am and sir. We hope that we will be engaging another intensive program in the next months or year ahead. Thank you very much.